Hook up an LCD projector to a computer. You can hook up an LCD projector to a computer if you want a bigger view of your desktop or if you are going to make an audiovisual presentation in a room full of people. Hooking up the LCD projector can be a bit confusing for some people, but it can be done easily by following some simple steps. All you need are the right cables and you are good to go. Follow these step-by-step instructions to know how you can hook up your LCD projector to your computer. Materials that you need. The materials you need for this are your LCD projector, a computer, VGA, or RGB cable and a nearby power outlet. You may need to use an extension cord if there are not enough power outlets on the place where you want the LCD projector and the computer to be. Consult the user's manual for your LCD projector so that you can familiarize yourself with the different ports and know where you should connect the cables. Connect the cables. Look for your computer's video card and attach one end of the VGA cable there. Get your LCD projector and look for the label for RGB or VGA in. This is where you should attach the other end of the VGA cable. Make sure the cables are secure. Set the cables from the computer and the LCD monitor aside so that they won't be trampled on. Find input on the LCD projector. You can consult the user's manual for the LCD projector for this step. You can plug different gadgets to the LCD monitor. For this step, you have to find the right input source for your computer. Read the instructions on the manual on how you can do this. You usually have to press a button on the projector to look for the right input. Once you find the right input for the computer, proceed with the next step. Test the display. Turn on your computer. You should change the display settings on your computer so that the image on your desktop can be projected to the LCD monitor. Choose the option for displaying the contents of your desktop on the monitor and click on OK. You should be able to see your desktop on the monitor. Adjust other settings. If the image on the monitor appears distorted, you just have to adjust the resolution and the aspect ratio on the settings so that you can view the images clearly. Experiment on the settings to see which provides the best picture quality on the LCD projector. These are the easy steps that you can follow if you want to hook up your LCD projector to a computer. This should be easy since most of the new computers nowadays are able to detect if a device is connected to it. You can do this setup if you are playing games on your computer or if you want to watch movies on a big screen.